iPhone 13 Pro and Pro Max launch with ProMotion display and better cameras. Apple iPhone 13 Pro and Pro Max make up the most powerful phones in the world. They pull even further ahead of the regular iPhone 13 models with a faster GPU, better cameras, and for the first time on an iPhone high refresh rate display. Once again, the design is no different from last year, except the main cameras are now a bit bigger and the display notch is 20% smaller. The iPhone 13 Pro gets a 6.1 inches Super Retina XDR OLED, while the Pro Max goes up to 6.7 inches. Both display have up to 120 Hz refresh rate support for the first time ever, which Apple calls ProMotion display. The refresh rate is adaptive, meaning it can go between 10 Hz to 120 Hz depending on the on-screen movement. If the screen is showing a still image, the refresh rate will go down to 10 Hz to save battery, but it will go up to 120 Hz when you start scrolling. iOS 15 has been reworked to make the best use of this new display. Internet and storage. The 5nm Apple A15 Bionic chipset graces the Pro and Pro Max variants as well. However, the GPU on those Pro models has 5 core instead of 4, giving them an edge over the vanilla phones when it comes to gaming. The CPU architecture remaining the same with 2+4 CPU configuration, which Apple says is 50% faster than the leading competition. You get the usual 128GB, 256GB and 512GB NVMe storage option, but Apple is also introducing a 1TB option for the first time ever. There is no mention of RAM option yet, but all phones will boot the updated iOS 15. Cameras, you get the same 12MP resolution on all 3 cameras, but will improve lenses sensor and image processing. The main 12MP sensor has an impressive pixel size of 1.9 with a brighter aperture. This allows the sensor to capture up to 2.2 multiply times more light for improved low light photography. The Pro models get the privilege of a telephoto lens too, which offers 3 multiply optical magnification over the main camera. The ultra-wide camera also gets a better lens with improved autofocus and 92% more light capturing technology. The improved autofocus also let the ultra-wide sensor act as a macro camera for close-up shoots. Battery and pricing. Apple has no mentioned battery capacity for any of its phones, but has said that an iPhone 13 Pro will last 1.5 hours than the iPhone 12 Pro on average. Meanwhile, the iPhone 13 Pro Max is promised to go 2.5 hours longer than the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Apple has not said anything about faster charging, so we are likely getting the same 20-watt wired fast charging. The iPhone 13 Pro and Pro Max will be available in graphite, gold, silver, and all the new Sierra Blue color for $999 and $1,099 dollars